Hello and welcome to WP Forms. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to allow visitors to upload videos directly to your YouTube channel by using the WP Forms plugin and our Zapier add-on. With the help of WP Forms, you can easily create a video upload form and embed it to a page on your WordPress site. And whenever somebody submits a video using that form, it'll be uploaded to your YouTube channel automatically. The Zapier add-on by WP Forms allows you to connect your forms to any of the over 2,000 apps available through their service, including YouTube. Just note that you'll need to sign up for a Zapier account before you complete this tutorial. Without further ado, let's get started. After logging into your WordPress site, we'll first go to the Plugins page and install WP Forms to your site. If you haven't done so already, you can download the plugin from the Downloads tab in your WP Forms account area. If you don't have a WP Forms account yet, you can go to wpforms.com/YouTube to get 50% off your purchase. We can head back to our WordPress site, and on the Plugins page, we'll click on the Add New button on the top left corner, and then click on the Upload Plugin button. We'll then choose our file, select WP Forms, and activate it once it's done installing. Afterwards, we'll need to verify your copy of WP Forms by entering the license key in the Settings page. You can find this key on the Downloads page of your WP Forms account, and once the license key has been verified, the first thing we'll want to do is create a video upload form and submit a test entry, so let's head over to the Add New option on the left. WP Forms comes with lots of different templates to get you started as quickly as possible, or you can start completely from scratch if you want. In this tutorial, let's name our form. I'm going to call it Video Upload Form, and we're going to use the simple contact form template as a base. Once the template is loaded into the form builder, you can customize it by either adding in new fields by dragging them from the left over to the right, rearranging the order of the existing fields, or deleting them entirely by hovering over them and clicking on the red trash can icon when it appears. For this form, we'll need to add some extra fields. We're going to add a file upload field, where users can upload their video, and a single line text field, where they can write in the title of their video. Click on the File Upload field to rename the label. We're going to change it to Video Upload, and you'll see that there's an option for allowed file extensions. This is where you can specify which file formats you'll be accepting, if any. If videos must be under a certain size, you can use the Max File Size field to designate that, and the file size must be in megabytes. Just keep in mind that even if you want the file limit to be, let's say 100 megabytes, this form will only be able to accept whatever maximum size your site's server will allow. You can hover over the tooltip icon, which will let you know what your site's particular limit is. In this case, our limit is only 20 megabytes, so even if I wrote 100 megabytes in this field, our form can only accept files that are 20 megabytes or less. If you need this limit increased, then you must contact your site's hosting provider. We'll then click on the single line text field to change the label and call it Video Title. Finally, let's click on the paragraph text field, and we're going to change the label to Video Description so our users can give us some additional information about the video when they upload it. Once this is done, click on the Save button on the top right corner, and we can head back to our dashboard to add the form to our site and submit a test entry. Once we've completed that, we'll go to the Add-ons page under WP Forms, and we're going to activate the Zapier add-on. When the add-on status has changed to active, click on the Settings tab on the left, and then click on the Integrations tab at the top. Scroll down until you find the Zapier integration, click on it, and there you'll see the Zapier API key. Keep this tab open as we'll need to come back and copy this key in a few minutes. Open a new tab, and then go to Zapier and log into your account. Click on the button labeled Make a Zap, and we'll be taken to the Setup page. Within this first section, we'll choose our first app and event. In the search box, type WP Forms and click on it once it appears. After you've selected WP Forms, Zapier will then display your trigger options under Trigger Event. WP Forms has only one trigger option, so we'll choose the New Form Entry option. Zapier then asks us to choose our account. When you click on the Sign in to WP Forms button, an overlay will appear. This is where we'll need our API key that we found in the Integrations tab of the Settings page. We'll quickly tab over, copy the key, and paste it into the API key field in the Zapier overlay. You'll then need to fill out the website field, and be sure to enter the full URL of your site. When you're done, click Yes, Continue, and your WP Forms account will now be connected to Zapier. Choose your newly connected account, click Continue, and you'll be taken to the next step. You're going to select the specific form you'd like to use for this Zap. In our case, it'll be the video upload form we just created. Our next step will allow you to pull data from the form you selected to test your connection. This is why we needed to submit at least one entry to our video upload form before beginning this process. Click Test Trigger, and when the test is done, you should see the form entry data you previously submitted. Afterwards, click Continue, and we'll move on to the second section. This is where we'll find the app that we'd like to connect our forms to. In this case, we're going to look for and select YouTube. There's only one action event for this, so select Upload Video and click Continue. You'll then need to connect your YouTube account to Zapier. Start by clicking Sign into YouTube to sign into your account. Another overlay will appear where you'll select your YouTube account. If you have more than one, select the appropriate account, and you'll then need to give Zapier permission to access your account. Afterwards, click Continue. In the next section, you'll need to map your site's form fields to the available fields in Zapier. This is why you need to make sure that you have at least one entry available in your form before you create this connection. You'll also see some additional YouTube-specific fields, like the privacy status, tags, and more. You'll need to set the privacy status, but if the other fields don't apply to you, you can leave them as they are. When you're done, click Continue. Finally, you'll see a summary of all of the form fields we've mapped to Zapier. You can either test and review or test and continue. For now, let's test and continue. If the test was successful, you should see a confirmation message letting you know that your test entry was sent to YouTube. Once that's done, you can turn on your Zap and you're all set. You now know how to allow users to upload videos to your YouTube channel directly from your site's contact form. If you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to visit wpforms.com and check out our documentation page, which has step-by-step written instructions for all of our features and add-ons. If you need any extra technical help, please go to our contact page and reach out to our support team. Hey everybody, this is Daisy with WP Forms. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, where I can show you how to build smarter forms with WP Forms through our how-to videos and more.